Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I've seen in the comments some of you are looking for night shift jobs. That is what I have for you, and best of all, it's non-phone. It is responding to those social media comments. The company is The Social Element. They have 95 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a social media community manager for their night shift. They say that their number one focus is to help different brands build genuine human connections with their consumers and customers through those social media pages. So they gear their interactions that are driven by data and insights, and they use insights, data, and reporting to form social media strategies, execute those across all areas of social media, including that community management. You really listen to the customers, you report content that is not up with the community guidelines, crisis management, all of those things. So they're basically looking for somebody to respond to complaints, queries that are posted on those social media platforms and engage with that online audience on behalf of their clients in a number of different industries across different social media platforms. So you might be working across like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all of those different social media platforms, just responding to these customer complaints that have been posted and trying to engage with that online audience. So it's all non-phone, responding to those comments. They are particularly looking for somebody who can cover a 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time shift over Saturday and Sunday. So you'll have to convert your time zone to see if that works for you. But the requirements are that you have great English, you have a background experience either in engagement, social media, customer care, community management, or something like that. That you do have social media knowledge with the different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, and or YouTube. And that you're confident with digital technology. You kind of know the latest trends in social media like the back of your hand. They do need somebody who is self-motivated and who is just that social media expert. Now, they don't provide you with any computer equipment. That is the downfall to this position. You are going to have your own computer, and it's going to have to meet some certain tech requirements. They don't accept Chromebooks or the Linux operating system, but they do accept both Windows and Mac OS. Now, if you've been a viewer of this channel for a while, you know me, I'm always trying when they don't post the salary in the job description, get an estimate for you. Of course, just know this is just an estimate, and actual salary will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview because it'll be dependent on many factors. But social media managers at The Social Element have been known to make anywhere from $44,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.